This reading is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. Let's see your energy. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description. Okay, Pisces. Let's see the energy. Ngayong first half ng May. Alam niyo, ang daming nagdi-detox na. Yeah, you are releasing nega energies, anything that is no longer serving you. Marami kasi tong pwedeng maraming part ng life or area of your life na mag-manifest yan eh. Like, let's say for example, decluttering, okay? May mga itatapon kang bagay, gamit na hindi mo na ginagamit. Oo, decluttering, pwedeng bebenta mo, papamigay, do-donate. Detoxification can also mean removing stress in your life. Pwedeng ikaw ay merong mga activities to release, to ground yourself, okay? Alam mo yung nagpapaspa, baka magpapaspa ka ngayon. Ngayong first half ng May, massage, 'di ba? Magre-relax para bumalik uli ang iyong sigla. 'Di ba? You're going on an adventure. Saan ang punta nyo, Pisces? Maaring ito ay pwedeng bigla ang gala, bigla ang lakad, bigla ang adventure. Okay, that will bring you happiness. Kumbaga yan na rin yung way of detoxifying eh. Ang saya kaya pag gumagala, di ba? Lalo na yung mga unexpected na gala. Mas exciting. Okay, let's see your overall energy, Pisces. The Eight of Pentacles as your overall energy. Napakasipag kasi ng mga Pisces ngayon. Oo, magpo-focus kayo sa kaperahan nyo. Like, you will have a system. Magkakaroon ka ng maayos na sistema. Step by step na gawain. Pwede iba sa inyo, magsusulat kayo. Mas magiging organized kayo ngayong first half ng May in terms of your money, career, or anything na pinagkakaabalahan ninyo. This is also mastery of your craft. So, yung iba sa inyo may pag-aaral na gagawin. Improve niyo yung inyong knowledge and skill set. Mag-upgrade. Your challenge is the Four of Swords. Okay, as a challenge, pwedeng, ayun nga, may mga times na sobra kang busy, hindi ka nakakapagpahinga. So, this is taking a pause, taking a break. Okay? Na, alam naman niya ng katawan mo eh. Pag napansin mo, lagi ka inaantok, adi, itulog mo, no? Or, tipong, parang lagi kang pagod. Then, relax, no? Go out. Go on an adventure. Diba? Detoxify. So, that's your challenge. Pakinggan mo ang iyong sarili. Ang body mo. Lalo na yung health. Kasi, mararamdaman mo yan if you need to relax, rejuvenate, and take care of your health. Now, your opportunity, let's see your opportunity. Ooh, the Emperor. So, as an opportunity, this is about order. Diba, yung sinabi ko sa inyo na maaring mas mag-organize kayo. You will put things in order. Gusto mo ikaw yung in control of your career, your business, your life. This is also about discipline. So, kung ano yung mga goals mo, you will make sure na nagtitake action ka doon sa goals mo. At hindi lang basta action. Kumbaga, magiging strategic ka sa steps na gagawin mo. Meron ding leadership role for you. So, may opportunity to become a leader, to become authority sa life mo or sa career mo. Ano man yung situation mo ngayon. Now, your blessing, the Queen of Swords. As a blessing, you will have this knowledge and wisdom na hindi ka basta-basta mauuto ng iba. And also, this can be cutting off people that are no longer serving your highest good. Blessing siya kasi at least may, kumbaga parang nagtatabas ka ng damo, ng masamang damo sa garden mo, parang ganun. So that is your way of detoxifying then, is removing the people, the situation, the things that are no longer serving you and supporting your goals. Okay, let's see yung kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Pisces. Ngayong May 1 to 15. Okay, you have the 10 of Swords. If there's something stressful sa finances, trabaho mo, tapos na yan. Matatapos na yan ngayong first half ng May. Okay? Lalo na kung masyadong mataas yung expectation sa work, sa career mo, nandun yung pressure. So, you really have to get out of that situation. Kasi nga, may stress dito. Kailangan mo mag-detoxify eh. So, ito yung ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. Ito yung i-detoxify mo. Yung mga stress sa buhay. Especially sa career, business, money. Sa love life, tinan natin. What's the energy for Pisces? You have the 5 of Wands. Oh, even kasi sa love life, yung iba sa inyo, you are in a conflicting situation with someone. Pwedeng power struggle, no? May competition. So, this is also the time to reflect kung ito bang person that you're dealing with ay supportive ba talaga sa'yo o kinukumpetensya ka. Kasi may mga ganyan eh. Nagkakaroon ng insecurities even sa mga mag-partners sa relationships or even within the family. So, okay lang naman may competition as long as it's a healthy competition. Pero pag, destructive na, di wag na. Okay, friend, sabi rito, be as good a friend to yourself as you are to others. Totoo. Unahin ang sarili, maging mabuti ka munang kaibigan sa sarili mo bago ka maging kaibigan sa iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.